Talk to me, Glovesy. How we looking?
Great. He's got the ring, we got the train.
Yee! Fuck it up!
Are you done with the plan yet?
Oh, man. Okay.
What's the deal? What's the fucking problem?
Our biggest problem is the sheriff might be on this cocksucker.
He probably is.
But this is a golden opportunity. We can hit it inside the city limits.
Okay, let's do that.
I just gotta figure out when and where.
All of a sudden you gotta figure something out? The fuck do you have to figure out?
Just gotta figure out.
When and where? Good God. Sheriff.
You got this, team? Let's fucking go!
Our intelligence suggests the mark will be on this block. Locate and execute. A private event, going unnoticed, will be difficult. Complete the execution and leave the area unnoticed.
Move with me.
What?
I don't see him.
Continue the search.
What? That was nothing.
I see the target.
Eliminate the target without drawing any attention.
He's aced.
Now, slip out unseen. The escape vehicle is at the extraction point. What is your location?
Close.
Hells yeah. Holla.
Good news. Hero's captain is out. Done.
Excellent. Rush that dickhead's turf and make him cry.
Hey, Baker.
We are taking this block. Let's show them who fucking Their benches are getting low. Let's put them away. Their captain's charging. Take his ass out. Boom, shakalaka laka winners. We are the champions of the world.
This is my fucking turf. You hear me?
I packed all your meds, cash, and fake passport, and your protein bars. All in your bag, in the locker. Now you go straight to Mexico.
What about you?
I will come later. I need to take care of that scorpion.
No! Dad, let's run!
Here, take my gun and my gas mask. Stay safe. Keep them till we meet again.
Oh, okay, Dad. Thanks, Dad. I love you.
Love you too, Em.
Ah! Fucking Christ! Suck ass! I will kill all of you!
Take her out!
Fuck! Die, bitches! Bag! Get the bag! Gas! Mask! The mask! There! Straight out! Fuck them all! I don't care! Bye, Dad.
There, she's coming out! Where are Flo?
Stop, this is the Rockay City police! Please!
All will die! All die!
Jupiter has vanished. We are unable to locate her.
She's mourning her dad, of course.
I have the distinct feeling that is not all she is doing.
Hey.
Go get it!
We will stop the truck by smashing.
Let's do this fucking thing, people!
Get it out!
With the alarm comes law enforcement. Get ready.
Here we go.
Stay right where you are!
This'll do.
Officers, en route to your location.
Copy. Getting ready for the cops. Reloading. Fuck!
Officers, en route to your location.
Man, I don't got time to be fooling with no dang on cops!
The buzzsaw's task is complete.
Doors open. Rebag this now. Distract them.
Status.
Not bad. We got half of it.
Excellent. Continue your mission.
Jesus!
Got a bag.
That's two.
Time to leave. Do not risk taking fire. We are half full.
I have it! All gone! That's it!
Are you certain?
Yeah!
They are awaiting a nominal success. I hope it proves to be lucrative.
Love it when a plan goes right.
This turf belongs to us! Attack offense! Fierce and fucking fast! score on us. Yes! Let's run up the fucking score on these pussies. Hell of a contest. We kicked ass. Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Winning!
One for the fucking record books. Right here. Rockay's gonna know our name now. Territory hard. Beat their asses. Get your hot iron, baby. Let's melt these bitches. Tenacious D! Tenacious D! Get the hell out of there, baby. We're done!
I'm out in five.
One for the fucking record books. Right here. Rockay's gonna know our name now.
Moment of truth. The fuck's it gonna be?
We are hitting the Rockay Money Express. She's heading out of town fat and full of cheddar.
Yeah. Knocking over a fucking iron horse. What do we need? Gloves?
We get some buzzsaws to open the train with. Ready the escape point.
Okay. We use a decoy car, set a smoke screen, and then hightail it out in a helicopter.
Mr. Baker, good to see you. Glove says you got something for us.
Yeah, I need your blades next couple days for a heavy-duty stunt.
For you, we're available. You know the rate.
You're on. Come ready to fucking play.
You got it, Mr. Baker.
We're fucking set, Gloves. Got the full list of gear. Now, okay, how do we stop a goddamn locomotive?
Plant a big-ass bomb that we set on the train's wheelhouse.
You crazy fucker. Okay, let's get the bomb. I love it. Hello. This'll be one for the fucking history books.
The task is simple. Move to the designated point and plant the explosive. You must eliminate any witnesses or incriminating evidence. If you set off the alarm, the mission is a failure. Understood?
I bet! There's some guards here.
So, sir, that's why I think I deserve the raise. Bullshit. What the? Thought I saw something. Shit, did I lock the door this morning? Fuck, I think I did. Did I?
Decide.
Did you locate the staging area? Then move to it and set up the explosive.
Copy. C4, coming.
Good. Now get clear. And avoid being detained.
Left it open.
Well done.
Okay. So, that goes smooth. Good work.
Great work. The big-ass bomb is planted. We're ready to blow this motherfucker. We'll do it when it's loaded with cash and moves out. And now, we chill.
You gonna share that? You chillin' villain? Just like a choo-choo train. You gonna share that? You are the baddest motherfuckers around.
Well, it stopped. Stopped real hard. That blew the fucking engine. The whole damn platform's on fire. Shit. Not good. You better move in before the cash burns. Keep this shit by the numbers. Police are inbound. They know it's a job. Hurry the fuck up.
Heat's coming. Move!
We're on this now!
No way!
Get the fuck down! More rounds! Down, motherfuckers!
Here we go.
Chopper lands in 9 minutes.
Way too long.
You have a SWAT team inbound.
Ready for SWAT!
Increase the speed of the bustle. Now is the time to counterattack.
Reloading now! Hey, down!
You are clear for now. Keep going.
Remember the job! Get down! Do you see the suspect? Down, motherfuckers!